god. I like iPads. What? Wow, Mama, this is the smartest thing I ever seen, guys. We will do unboxing. Let's start with iPad. Hey guys, let's start with iPad. Oh my god. Oh my god, I like iPads. Oh, now what we will do? Oh, we will do this. Okay. iPad. Look at it, it's very big. It's very big. It's very big, Mommy. Oh my god, Mommy, this is the biggest iPad I ever seen. The biggest iPad I ever seen. It's very big. It's bigger of my face. Look. And it's come with a charger. Look, and this. Tick, 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 tick. Now what is this? Wow, it's the Apple icon. Wow, and look. How these are books? How about this? Wow, it's the Apple icon. I know how I will do it. It's a sticker. You put it in the iPad. We put it in the iPad. Look, it's very big, guys. Wow. And here, look. And here, look. Wow, guys, look. Come on. Guys, it says, look.
Hola.
Oh.
Hello. Bonjour.
Are you serious? Look.
It's Chinese.
It's Chinese. I don't know Chinese. Oh, it's open. Look. Wow. Wow. And what is this? This is a massive iPad I've ever seen. Now let's try the smart keyboard. Now let's shake it. The smart keyboard. Now we do the smart keyboard Pro or the smart keyboard or and we do the smart keyboard. Wow! I do the smart keyboard. Put the iPad down. Now put the iPad. La la la.
Just stick it.
Stick there. No one do it now. Do it. It's stick by herself. Now let's do it. Up, 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 up. And press. Hi guys, Mama, I love you. Open the magic box. I made a laptop with iPad. Are you serious? Open it here. Shake, shake it, shake. Okay, do it. Yeah. That magic wand. Okay. Look over here. Look. Have a charger. Look, this is very magic. It's a magic mouse. Now let's open the Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil. And this is the Apple Pencil. Look.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Yeah. We should do this. Now it's AirPods Pro. Look at it. Look at this. It's Pro 2 and this is Pro 2. La la la. Let's open it. Open it, yes. Open it. What we will do now? Oh, I don't. The air bar is in the Wow, AirPods Pro. It comes with a charger and replacement. You see this? It comes with this. Now, like this, with this, another one.
Replacement.
Replacement. It's called replacement. Look, guys, this is the best pen I see in my whole life. Now, the Beats Solo Pro. The Beats Solo Pro is the best earpod in the whole earth. Now let's open it. The Beats Solo Pro. This one here. Let's open the Beats Solo Pro. Wow, guys. Wow, this is the best video I've seen in my whole life. Ah, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. A box? What? Take it, take. What's another box? I can put it in my ears. Look. I can listen to my iPad, right? I want my iPad. this is some noise. iPad. It comes with a charger and a change. This is a change. Bye guys, I hope you like my video. I hear very bad sound, very loud.